Once you receive your RAVEN Rotary Jig, you need to set it up such that the bit is perfectly aligned with the center of rotation and that it is parallel to the rail of the machine. In order to do this, we're going to start out by loosening up these screws here and centering this little tab roughly centered just to start you off. Then just slightly tighten those up. We want to be able to wiggle that around a little bit, but not have it loose and flopping around. Do that to both sides. Then we go ahead and install it in the machine. Now, on the RAVEN Jig, these washers right here press up against the fence of the machine. The tabs insert into the bit clearance notches on the fence and the sliding plate. Now, with the power off, so that you can easily move the truck around, go ahead and install a good pointy bit in the machine. And then use that, pushing down on the jig to make sure that you've got it perfectly aligned with the center of the bit. Now, because we don't have those screws totally tightened, we can actually move the jig, shifting those tabs just a little bit until we have it lined up. And we're hitting right in the middle of that groove. Once you're comfortable that you've got that lined up, carefully remove the jig so you don't disturb them, and then tighten them up. Once you've done this, your jig is set to your machine. You should not have to do this again. Our final step is to give us a contact plate over here. The jig is aluminum and the RAVEN uses a contact touch right here to tell the exact center of rotation. We use just a simple little paper clip that came with your jig. Just slip it over there, pop the little arms off. This will give you a spring steel contact which isn't going to wear to touch on.